So you hear a lot of conscious people a lot of times say, I'm a God, and a lot of times we believe that that's just being so arrogant to even say, I'm a God. But when you understand the ancient teachings that idea came from, the ancient African and Kemetic teachings, it has nothing to do with being arrogant. It has everything to do that as a natural human soul, that you are a part of that which it came from. That by extension makes you what it was. In other words, we all came from one source, right? That's what we were taught. We all came from one source. If we're all from one source, how can we be different from that source? That's why it's not arrogant. It's just understanding your place in the universe. It's understanding who you are at your essence. You are a being of light.